This video will demonstrate how to use asset groups to scan by hostname. Although it is common to use IP addresses or asset groups that contain IP addresses as scanning targets, with the Scan by Hostname feature enabled for your account, you can identify the targets of your scans using DNS names or NetBIOS names. To accomplish this, you must meet the requirements listed here. First, the Scan by Hostname service must be enabled for your Qualys account. If you are using a Qualys student trial account to perform the lab exercises in this course, Scan by Hostname is already enabled. Second, use the DNS or NetBIOS options to add members to an asset group. This asset group, with its hostname members, will then become your scanning target. Any scanner appliance that will be used to perform the scan must be configured with a DNS server that can resolve the hostname to its IP address. Finally, only host names resolved to IPs in your subscription will be scanned. With the Scan by Hostname service already enabled in my account, I'll create an asset group with hostname members. I'll build this asset group using the DNS names of our training lab targets. This will work well with the external scanner option, as each host in our lab has a fully qualified domain name that resolves to its IP address on public DNS servers. You can enter each host name on a separate line as I've done here, or you can use a single line with each host name separated by a comma. My host name asset group is now saved, and as long as its associated IPs are already in my subscription, it's ready to be used as a scanning target. With my hostname asset group created, I can now use it to launch a scan. Remember, for this scan to be successful, any scanner appliance that will be used to perform the scan must be configured with a DNS server that can resolve the hostname to its IP address. And only hostnames that resolve to IPs in your subscription will actually be scanned. I'll click the New button to launch a new scan. Select the San Jose DNS Names asset group as my scanning target, and launch. Here under the Scans tab, my scan is now running, and easily distinguished by the DNS names in the Targets column. Thank you for watching this Qualys training video.